Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and it is time for a sheet load rewind. I hope you'll stick around to see which edition we're revisiting this month, see the cards I made, find out how you can hop along to see everyone else's, and how to download the free printable which is coming out of the vault for 1 month. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month, I get together with some of my creative team members and revisit a past edition of SheetLoad of Cards. Sometimes I might update my sets a little bit. Other times, like today, I stick pretty much to the original. Now, once you're done with my video, you're going to want to make sure you go see what everyone else has created. So you can click on the special playlist at the end of this video, or that is also linked in that description box below. I know that everybody would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. This month's edition, which is currently in the vault, that we're rewinding back to is May of 2022. This printable originally shows you how to create 6 cards using just 3 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. Now, if you don't yet have this printable, again, make sure to watch the whole video and I'll tell you how you can download it for free as long as you're subscribed to my channel. In most of these videos, I will do a quick process, but because I really stuck pretty much to the sketch and cutting guides, today's video is just a card share. So if you would like to get more details on how to cut and put these cards together, make sure to check out the May 2022 process video, which I have linked down in that description box below. It's going to give you lots of great tips for putting these cards together. Before I show you the cards that I created and tell you how you can download the free printable, let's go ahead and take a look at the main supplies I used. My cards today featured products from the new Lovin Gnomes card kit from Not Too Shabby. Now it looks like the full bundle itself is out of stock, but anything that is still available I will have linked in that description box below. And just a heads up, many times when I share those links down there, they are affiliate links, which means I earn a small portion of your sale at no extra cost to you. If you do have a favorite creator that you enjoy what they're creating with and they have affiliate links, I encourage you to use those because it does help us out. From that new kit, I chose 3 pieces of pattern paper from the Peachy Mint Bliss paper pad. I chose 1 that had multiple colors and then 2 more that had colors in that first one, but with more subtle patterns. For my focal point, I did add a piece of the Lovin Gnomes ephemera to each card. And for my sentiment, I used the Sip, Relax, Enjoy stamp set, and I chose You Make Me Happy. I thought that was good for lots of different occasions. For matting cardstock and ink to stamp with, I used Tailored Expression Spearmint. Now let's take a look at the cards that I created. I hope you enjoyed getting to see the cards I made with the May 2022 SheetLoad of Cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download that printable for free. The May 2022 SheetLoad of Cards is currently in the vault, which means it is only available to channel members. Now, if you are newer to my channel and would like access to the editions older than 2 years old, which is almost 50 printables, you guys, you can check out the join button below this video to get more information about those perks. Because we are rewinding to this edition this month, I am going to bring it out of the vault for 1 month to all subscribers of my channel. Now we do just go on the honor system here, so make sure before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where it's at here in just a minute, that you have clicked on that subscribe button below. It's free, it's quick, it's easy. If you would like access to the May 2022 SheetLoad of Cards, you are going to find a link all the way at the bottom of the description box below. Below the link it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and then print it like I have, or you can just download it to your device and use it on screen. That is totally up to you. And while I do have mine printed in color, black and white printers work just as well. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in that comment section below. And now don't forget to go visit everyone else who is sharing their cards today. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.